Faith. Today, we students of grade 8 and 7 are gathered here to tell you about Uttarakhand Braves. I am honored to talk about Nayak Dhirwan Singh Negi Victoria Cross. He was from 39 Garhwal Rifles when he participated in World War I in the Battle of Gallipoli. He charged through heavy enemy fires to rescue his injured commanders and cleared enemy trenches. His act shows his selflessness and bravery. This act earned him the Victoria Cross. He was one of the first Indians to earn a Victoria Cross. A Victoria Cross is the highest gallantry award given to an individual of British Army. He was given the Victoria Cross by King George V. Good morning everyone. Today I am delighted to tell you about Rifleman Gabbar Singh Negi, hero of Naam Shepil. Gabbar Singh Negi is also known as Shera of Uttarakhand. He was just 19 years old when he stormed into enemy's line in France with Garhwal rifles. Gabbar Singh fought hand to hand and cleared trenches before falling. It helped to shape the momentum of the battle. Posthumously awarded the Victoria Cross. Thank you.
And now I am going to tell you about Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat. He won the Mahavir Chakra. He was from the regiment of 4 Garhwal Rifles. He participated in the Battle of Nirang and Senior India War in 1962. He was a resident of Dhume Court in Pauri Garhwal. In Arunachal Pradesh, Jaswant Singh held off Chinese troops alone for 72 hours by using multiple rifles placed at different points. He killed over 300 enemy soldiers before being murdered. His bravery earned him the Mahavir Chakra and a memorial in his name.
Now I will tell you about Lion of Toruling, means Major Rajesh Singh Adhikari Mahavir Chakra. He was regiment of 18 Grenadier. He took place in Battle of Toruling as well as in Kargil War in 1999. He was born in Almora. The 18 Grenadier Major Adhikari led the assault on Toruling Peak. Under the intense fire, he pushed his man force into the neutralized enemy bunker and took a bullet while capturing .4590. He was awarded Mahavir Chakra for his gallantry. Now I will tell you about Havaldar Gajendra Singh Base Ashok Chakra. He was regiment of 51 Sech, NSG 10 Para. He took place in operation of OP Black Tornado. He was born on Ganeshpur in Dehradun. On 27 November, Havaldar Ganesh Singh led his squad to rescue hostages from the terrorists at Nariman House, Mumbai. Despite heavy fire, he kept advancing and displayed most conspicuous courage and made the supreme sacrifice for the nation, for which he was awarded with Ashok Chakra.
Now I am going to tell you about Major Vijayan Base Kirti Chakra. He was from the regiment of 4 Jack Line and was a resident of Haldwani. In an encounter near the LOC, Major Vijayan Base led his team with exceptional courage as heavily armed terrorists tried to infiltrate. He moved swiftly to intercept. Despite intense fire, he engaged them head-on, eliminating 2 before being fatally wounded. His fearless leadership and supreme sacrifice saved many lives. For upholding the finest tradition of the Indian Army, he was posthumously awarded Kirti Chakra.
Now I am going to tell you about Gen Bipin Rawat. India's first CDS, Gen Rawat was instrumental in shaping the tree services integration, known for his bold operation in the northeast and along the LOC. He advocated strong national security, a respected reformer. His untimely demise in a helicopter crash ended a legacy of transformational leadership. Thank you.